Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to repost a TikTok story to your main feed. So to do that, there are no features on TikTok that can allow you to do this stuff. So, what I found right here on this source, social B, to repost a TikTok video to your story, open the video and tap the share button at the bottom right of the screen, and this is how you can repost a TikTok video to your story, and not how to repost a TikTok story to your main feed. Also here it says the TikTok repost feature lets you share. This is the introduction, and after that they talk or they explain how to repost feature boost to your engagement with more likes, etc. How to repost a TikTok video, how to repost a TikTok video, to delete a repost on TikTok, etc. And there is nothing that can help us to find the solution right here. So for me, I have a solution, and it's by going to that story that you want to repost on your main feed. You will download that story, and after that you will upload it on your main feed, and yeah, that's how you can repost it. So let's go to our phone mobile and TikTok, and right here as a bonus, to repost a post or a video on TikTok, you just need to go right here and go into the repost right here, and it will be on your profile. After that, I want you to, as I told you, to go into your story or anyone's story and download by recording the story, or by downloading the story if you have the option, or another app that can download for you the stories on TikTok and use it. So after that, I want you to go through your profile and or this plus button and upload it to your main feed. Anyways guys, this is the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.